What is up, XRP community? Welcome back to another video. Can I get a like on the video? Give me a like on the video. Take a moment right now. I want to talk to you about a $3.40 XRP price based off of one of the most esteemed, reputable things in price analysis. It's called Elliott wave theory. I also want to talk about Vanguard, the company that owns every company in the world pretty much. They're up there with BlackRock. Look at any Fortune 500 company. Look at the stockholders. It's all public knowledge. And if you pick any company, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Starbucks, McDonald's, Wendy's, Vanguard owns, they're the top shareholder. If it's not Vanguard, it's BlackRock. So when Vanguard puts their money into something, we pay attention. And adoption isn't stopping, guys. It's clear Ripple is poised to have massive success in this future global financial system. Survey finds that 93% of banks are working on CBDCs. Right? If you're watching this video, you probably already know this. And guys, Bitcoin's halvening is coming up. If you don't know what the halvening is, this could ignite the next bull run. It's done this a lot in the future. Essentially, the halvening is a supply shock. All right, for you guys that didn't pay attention in Economics 101, a supply shock is just a simple way to say it's bullish for the price, okay? And I tweeted this out yesterday, guys. In the last 12 years, this signal has only happened 4 times. Before and every time, there was a significant price increase afterwards. Make of this info what you will. So you'll see these are moving averages long term. And when these moving averages cross, big upswing. Now, something to take notice of, guys, and we know when Bitcoin pumps, everything pumps, raises all ships. Look at the first Bitcoin bull run. That's about 40,000% return. The second bull run was a little bit less, guys. 5,000% return. This past bull run, if you had Bitcoin, you got an 800% return. So what does that show? Diminishing returns. As an asset goes up in price, the gains are going to be smaller. And that's why we're in tokens that have more upside, right? XRP has never reached all-time highs since 2018. Why are you buying Bitcoin? You're trying to double your money. You might as well be in stocks. The real gems are these altcoins and tokens like XRP that have yet to actually return to their all-time highs. And look at this. Crypto-friendly senators present a new cryptocurrency bill in the U.S. Here are all the details. The bill will make it clear that crypto assets that do not present a financial interest in the underlying project will be commodities, not securities. This means that if a token has no dividends or interest payments or ownership interest in the issuer, it will be regulated by the CFTC, Commodity Futures Trading, not the Securities and Exchange Commission. The bill gives the task of regulating crypto exchanges like Coinbase to the CFTC. Let me repeat that because that is very important. The bill gives the task of regulating crypto exchanges, the place where you buy crypto, like Coinbase, who is currently being sued by the SEC, to the Commodity Futures Trade. So what they're saying, if they want the Commodity Futures Trading Commission to regulate crypto exchanges, what basket are they telling you guys crypto is falling into? Yeah, maybe there's some unregistered securities, but the majority of these are not. They are commodities. The bill would allow stablecoins to be issued by regulatory depository institutions. Stablecoins are the future. They're here to stay. And this is coming off yesterday's video where they want to remove Gary Gensler and put 3 Democrats and 3 Republicans at the head of the SEC. So instead of a monarchy where we have one ruler like Gary Gensler, we're going to have some people on the left, some people on the right. I think this is the best thing the SEC can do. And guys, if you want some free stock, sign up with Webull, deposit a penny. You're guaranteed $41 in minimum stock value. You could get up to $3,000 in stocks, but you're guaranteed $41 just for signing up and depositing a penny. I'll leave a link in the video description below. And if you need a spot to get XRP or Flare, I recommend Uphold. It's sleek, it's simple, it's secure, and it's where I dollar cost average and buy my XRP daily. A link in the video description below. In good news, Bybit, one of the largest leveraged trading crypto exchanges. I do not recommend you guys leverage trade. 99% get wrecked. But they've relisted XRP after a previous delisting. Good stuff to see. Now let's talk about this $3.40 XRP price. This is coming out from Dark Defender. He says, "Hi all, we analyzed weekly historical patterns of XRP and pointed out August. XRP still identically follows the pattern. Additionally, the pattern aligns with Elliott waves." So you can see right here this downward resistance. Once it breaks that, we have targets at 90 cents, $1.80. And then the top of this wave 3 would be $3.40. Now, Elliott wave is 5 waves, guys. So you see this is wave 3, meaning after we hit 340, you would expect a decline to around 269. And then look at that blue line. It shoots right back up. The top of Elliott wave theory is that level 5 wave. So we would presume another pump after this $3.40 range, which would probably send us to around $10, $13, a double-digit XRP price. And he's indicating that this rally could potentially start in the next 5 to 6 weeks. This was interesting to me. Another attorney has withdrawn from Ripple. Okay? The case is basically over. Isn't a big deal. I'm not going to speculate on this, but I did want to bring your attention to this. Keep in mind, Ripple has a lot of attorneys on this case, way more than the SEC, so I wouldn't look too much into this. Jack the Rippler came out and said, boom, Saudi Arabia is going to use XRP to settle money from A to B. It's the oil money. Saudi British Bank launches instant cross-border transfer service for the U.S. corridor. So we can see right here, the Deputy Managing Director of Corporate Institutional Banking. Saudis, they have a lot of money. And guys, if you're in Chicago, I guess the whole city of Chicago is under a tornado warning right now. There's some massive storms. So if you're in Chicago, stay safe. That'd be crazy if a tornado just ran through a big city like Chicago. SAAB is not only the first Saudi bank to join Ripple's network, but it is also the first bank in the region to offer near real-time USD settlement for its corporate clients. This expansion of the solution to cover the U.S. corridor is the third one through Ripple. And guys, Saudis, if you look at entertainment, sports, look at Dubai. I've been seeing all these videos about Dubai recently. I guess if you live in Dubai, you don't have to lock your door and you can just leave money out. Like, people don't steal in Dubai. It's an amazing place, but there's tons of wealth over there, right? So when we see the Saudis, right, working with Ripple, and what do the Saudis specialize in? Oil, right? And we need a lot of oil. Look at the U.S. oil reserves over the past year, and they've gone down from like 600 million barrels to 300 million barrels. So just something to think about. Rosie Rios, board member for Ripple. Take a listen.
And today, we're just days away from the 4th of July, which will mark 3 years until the 250th anniversary of the United States. I'm excited to share with all of you that this 4th of July will also mark the launch of America's Invitation, the official start to the 3-year count up, as I like to call it, to 2026, and the largest public engagement effort to date. You may recall that when we were looking at our currency redesign, that we also launched a public engagement effort in June of 2015, and I led that effort. And that really informed me of how important it is to engage all Americans.
This just coincides with the revamping of the global financial system. Not only are we revamping the money, but we're revamping the means of how we transmit and trade these monies. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you made it to the end, comment Rosie Rios in the comment section below. All my little supporters, I appreciate you. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. Until next time.